Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Zach here today. So yesterday I was checking the comments as I always do, and I saw one newbie to the YouTube community was asking about the difference between VidIQ and TubeBuddy, and specifically which one is better for SEO optimization. So as you guys know, I'm not affiliated with either of these two companies. Today I just want to give you an unbiased and real honest review about these two services, and hopefully it'll really help you pick the best one for you. So guys, TubeBuddy and VidIQ are both fantastic and efficient channel management tools, but are they really that different? Today, let me count the ways for you. And remember, I'm not making any money on this. I'm just doing this as a real and unbiased comparison for you. Today, we're gonna find the winner by first comparing their key strengths and then putting them head to head in 3 different areas: keyword research, search engine optimization, and pricing. All right, with all that said, let's first take a look at the key strengths of VidIQ. First up for VidIQ, it is easier to use. VidIQ comes either as a plugin or browser extension and is very intuitive in its operation. Unlike TubeBuddy, whose dashboard tends to cover up most of your screen, VidIQ neatly stays as an IQ icon on the right of your browser toolbar. Its analytics and real-time trending stats bar panel can be accessed on the right side of your video content when necessary. Channel audit. The channel audit feature was actually pretty nice. I found myself looking at it and saying, hey, it's actually really nice to see all these features in a single place and categorized by important metrics like click-through rate or average watch time. Some of its features include an engagement analytics graph that represents a bird's eye view of all your channel's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube engagement stats, all under one roof. So now that I've mentioned the key strengths of VidIQ, let me quickly talk about TubeBuddy, and specifically its bulk actions and processing, where it really shines. TubeBuddy by far has more capabilities for doing bulk processing on the channel. Amongst TubeBuddy's bulk processing tools, you will find its bulk copy cards, delete cards, update cards, and copy in-screen, to name but a few. These tools are designed to ensure that you do not pull your hair out while manually adding, managing, or editing your video's cards, titles, or descriptions on bulk videos. TubeBuddy will surprise you by providing multiple specific use case capabilities that you can't even imagine, like video thumbnail. A video thumbnail is one of the things that browsers on YouTube will first view, and it either sets a good impression or fails to attract an audience. A professionally created thumbnail image will improve your channel's traffic. Building these kind of thumbnail images with traditional tools like Photoshop has never quite been a walk in the park, which is why TubeBuddy's custom thumbnail generator is such a hit. All right, guys, it's time for a wrestling match. Let's compare these two softwares head to head. Ding, ding, ding. First up, keyword research. When searching for a keyword, VidIQ will show you the score for your searching keyword, as you can see here. Also, it shows the top channels for this search term and some top related opportunities, other keywords you might want to use. So if I click on it, I can see the monthly search volume for that keyword. The best part of the VidIQ Pro is that you can see these related keywords with scores and sort them by however you want. There will be a lot of related keywords for extension. You can rank the keywords in the list by changing the filters. For example, compare keywords by search volume, competition difficulty, and total score. I personally like sorting them by the search volume first because no search volume probably has no views. So I sort them by the search volume, and then I find the low competition with the high scores right here. So these are probably very good keywords to use. Then I just click and copy to the clipboard, and then I can add these keywords very easily to my title, description, and also the tags. VidIQ will also show 10 trending videos, including video keywords and an hourly viewing index, which can intuitively let you know if there is still traffic for this video at this moment. So that's VidIQ. What about TubeBuddy? In TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer, a total score will appear to tell you the overall score of a keyword. An analysis of the score will also be displayed below, including search volume, competition difficulty, optimization strategies, etc., as well as a 30-day or hot topic trend chart for a year provided by YouTube and Google. But the major problem with TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer is that you have to click on every single keyword to see the scores. So on the right-hand side, you'll see the related keywords, but I have to keep track of these keywords and find the high score keywords manually. That means TubeBuddy takes so much more time to do the keyword research than VidIQ. So for this round of keyword research, VidIQ clearly wins. Ding, 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 ding. Round 2, SEO, search engine optimization. So let's say I want to rank for one of my keywords on YouTube. First up, TubeBuddy. Click on this TubeBuddy button and click on the SEO Studio, then type the keyword on YouTube and start. Then this SEO score will go up, and you can see your percentage and the keywords appearing in your title and description will be highlighted. You can optimize your total score step by step according to the tips. Clear every tip for your title and description. The next step is to optimize the tag. You can also compare the thumbnails with other related videos and then make a more competitive video cover. You can check if you've completed all of the best practice recommendations. So that's TubeBuddy SEO. How about VidIQ? On the right side for VidIQ, you can see as such. The title description will give you a score. Click on the checklist and then measures you can optimize will be listed. You can modify the keywords in the title and description based on these tips. It'll also give several recommended tags. You can click on the keyword inspector to directly search for keywords, thereby adding related tags to your video. Okay, so I do have cards, I have an end screen, so I just try to do all the things on this list. And that's basically it for the VidIQ SEO tool. So for this round of SEO, who is the winner? I think we have one. It has to be TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy win, VidIQ fails. All right, and lastly, and for some of you, perhaps most importantly, the pricing. So for VidIQ, the Pro subscription starts around $7.50 per month. And TubeBuddy's pricing is around $9 per month for Pro. So if you go on a month-by-month basis, TubeBuddy will be about $1.50 more expensive than VidIQ. But if you get the yearly billing for TubeBuddy, it gets 20% off, which puts it at about $7.20 per month, which is actually 30 cents less than VidIQ. And there's one really important thing I want to mention here. If you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you can click on this and get 50% off, so you can get it for just $3.60 per month. Good deal. So guys, in conclusion, both of these softwares are actually pretty good. You really can't go wrong with either of them. They're really good for both startup YouTubers and also really experienced YouTubers with really big channels. So what's my verdict? I'll put it this way. If you care more about tags and want to save time on keyword research, then I would say go for VidIQ. However, if you don't mind spending more time on keyword research and really care more about the SEO and also the slightly cheaper price, then go for TubeBuddy. But which one do you guys prefer? I'm actually very curious. Leave a comment and let me know which one you think works best for you. So even though I've talked so much, I'm sure you guys still have questions, so let me quickly run through some FAQs for you. Number one, let's say you've just started out and don't really have a big budget, or you're like me and you're super poor. Can you use these softwares for free? The answer is yes, to an extent. For example, with the free version of TubeBuddy, you can only do search results 25 times a day, and it'll only show you the top 3 search results for the keywords. Same thing with VidIQ, which will only show you the top 3 results per day with the free version. So if you have a budget, you can get by with this. All right, second question. Let's say you're using both of these softwares and you search for a term, but different results appear. Which one should you believe? Well, what I would recommend is actually, once you decide on a keyword, use YouTube and Google and you yourself search for these key terms and search for the videos, check out their views, take careful notes, also the release time and stuff. Don't only rely on what these SEO search engine optimization tools return to you. You sometimes have to do your own legwork as well. Question number 3, but Zach, I see there's even higher levels of subscriptions for both of these services. What do I do? Well, take a look at this image. You can see a simple breakdown of some of these advantages of the different softwares. For example, VidIQ Boost Plus offers things like coach telephone consultation, in-depth analysis, private opinions, and other functions. But if you guys don't really need these things, just go for the plain Pro option. It usually will serve all of your needs. And lastly, question number 4. Ooh, Zach, you just mentioned VidIQ Boost. Tell me more, tell me more. Let me tell you more. So VidIQ Boost actually has these really cool features that can help you have more high-ranking tags, high-relevant tags, and maybe helps improve your ranking on the YouTube search results. But let me let you in on a little secret. YouTube has actually made clear the use of these tags, and it's usually just for common misspellings in your search terms when people look for your videos. In all actuality, tags don't really help your ranking that much. So I would approach VidIQ Boost with a little bit of caution. I don't really think it's necessary. So Which one is better? Well, I have my opinions, you have your opinions, and I always love hearing your guys' opinions. I love reading your comments, so please leave a comment, let me know what you think. Which one do you think is better? If you have experience or you tried out these two tools, also let me know your personal experience so that I can better learn myself. So guys, don't forget to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and tune in every week so you can stay up to date with our latest tips and tricks. See you guys next time.